Hi everyone, it's your girl Tina Olise. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about this quick and easy hairstyle that you can get yourself, wrapped up in less than 10 minutes, like literally 5 minutes. So if you're new to my channel, do click on that subscribe button, click on that bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a new video. So if you want to see my old video where I did my twists and added beads, accessories and all, I'll put the link down in the description box. So I am going to be taking this down. Before taking this down, I already washed my hair while in twist too. I have a video where I show my weekly routine when I'm on twist, even though I just had this twist for like 2 weeks. So in case you're wondering how I take my hair while in twist, the video's link is down in the description box. So this is what my hair is once I am done taking down the twist. I'm just adding a little bit of water because I want to apply gel to slick it down. Don't forget your parting because we are doing two sides. I don't know if it's pigtails that this thing is called, but I just love this hairstyle and I've had it on for some time before, and a lot of people are like, oh, they like it and all. So that's why I even decided to make a video of it. So I'm going to be using the Ecostyler Gel. You can decide to use any gel at all. I'm going to be making use of my spray bottle, my brush, so these little rubber bands to hold them. And if you've been on my channel for long, you'd know I am always a thread person. I use threads or basically wools to hold my hair rather than rubber bands because I feel it's more convenient. So do what you're more comfortable with. I'm going to be applying my gel to make sure that my hair is going to be slicked down and this style is going to look all nice and all nice and slick and gorgeous. It's very easy, to be honest. Just watch what I do and it's just basically 2-3 steps and you are done. I do this style anytime I feel like, okay, I just have to do something on my hair and just get out quick. That is why it is quick, easy, and it is very pretty too. So once you're done with laying it down with your gel, you're going to be left with two beautiful buns like that. You can choose to actually go out with the buns like that. It's like a 2-in-1 kind of style. But no, we are going to get our pigtails, okay? But first of all, do not forget to oil your rubber bands to make sure it's very easy on your hair and doesn't start getting all tangled up, and it just makes it very easy to get in and get out the rubber band basically. So I don't have a particular measurement of how I take this puffs. I just do it according to my instincts or initiative, depending on how I feel. Okay, it's equal with the first one, and I just keep on going like that on and on until I am done. And the last part, I just twist my hair because I feel it's so small and it won't actually puff up like the other. So I just twist it and I use like an accessory or something to hold that part. You can decide to make it equal, but it's not always that easy, to be honest. It's not always that easy to make both sides, the puffs, equal. But just try as much as possible to make it equal if you can. So laying my edges, I'm not that good and I don't have the patience basically to even lay my edges. So you can decide to do artworks, but I just went off straight to just brush my hair because, for crying out loud, this is supposed to be quick and easy for you to just 5 minutes and you are done. So as usual, when I apply gel on my hair and the fact that the two tails are standing, I always scarf it up to make sure it all gets set in and dries in and it's looking all yummy and all good. So you want to make sure that those tails are in the position you want them to be in while tying your scarf, so that the scarf will literally press on it and let it to come down. So that's the point of actually tying the scarf. you see this style, it's very simple, very nice. Okay, some people feel it's childlike, but I really still like it. I really like it because like whenever I do this style, I hardly see people doing this style, so that's why I love this style. It's not something rampant, and you can actually do this, a little bit of switch up if you feel just leaving it down looks childlike. This looks more elegant and ladylike for those who don't want to look like they're 5 or you know but this is like a tip, like a hack basically I learned on my own, just to make sure that these two tails are staying put in a place and not flying around. Use a bobby pin to just hold it down, and that is it. This style is so easy. Tell me what you think down in the comment section about this style, and also please tell me the real name of this hairstyle. I call it pigtails, but I am not so sure. Seriously, I'm not so sure if they are called pigtails, and I really love this hairstyle. So thank you so much for watching this video and every of my other video. I still remain your girl Tina Olise, #1 natural educator. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, all at Tina Olise. I will see you in my next video. Bye.